Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the Infinix Note 40 Pro. If you're new here, don't forget to share the videos and join our community. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. In this video, I will introduce a phone that's perfect for those with a reasonable budget, who don't want to splurge on an expensive device but still crave efficiency. This phone is the Infinix Note 40 Pro, and it has some impressive features that I will cover. And I must admit, after taking a closer look, I regretted not sharing these with you earlier. This little technological marvel can do some truly impressive things. The Infinix Note 40 Pro is a robust smartphone that was announced on March 18th, 2024 and released the following day. It offers a range of impressive features at a competitive price of about €180. The device boasts a sleek design with dimensions of 164.1, 74.5, 7.8 millimeter, and a weight of 190 grams. It is dust and splash resistant, IP54, and supports dual nano SIM. The Note 40 Pro features a large 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 1300 nits. The screen-to-body ratio is approximately 89.9%, and the resolution is 1080x2436 pixels, approximately 393 ppi density, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Running on Android 14 with XOS 14, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate chipset, an octa-core CPU, and a Mali G57 MC2 GPU. It comes with 256 gigabytes of internal storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. The main camera is a triple setup with a 108 megapixel wide lens, a 2 megapixel lens, and a third unspecified camera. It supports quad LED flash, HDR, panorama, and video recording at 1440p 30 fps and 1080p 30/60 fps. The selfie camera is a 32 megapixel wide lens that supports video recording at 1080p 30 fps. The device has stereo speakers tuned by JBL Hi-Res Audio. However, it does not have a 5mm jack. It supports Wi-Fi 800 2.11 dual band, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, market region dependent, FM radio, and USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. The Note 40 Pro is equipped with an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass. It houses a non-removable 5,000 milliampere battery that supports 45-watt wired charging, 50% in 26 minutes as advertised, 20-watt wireless mag charge, reverse wired, and reverse wireless charging. The device is available in Titan Gold and Obsidian black colors. Overall, the Infinix Note 40 Pro offers a comprehensive package of features that cater to the needs of modern smartphone users. Did you know that a device like this can control multiple devices in your home? With the Infinix Note 40 Pro, you can control your TV, air conditioner, and other devices, which I'll introduce to you shortly. The first feature I want to highlight is called reverse charge. This phone can charge another phone, essentially turning it into a portable charger. This is incredibly handy if you have two phones like I do. If one phone runs out of battery, the Infinix can come to the rescue. It's simple to use, and I'll show you how it works with an iPhone, which is known for its high energy consumption. The second feature, which is becoming more common these days, is fast charging. This phone can recharge to nearly 50% in just a few minutes. So if you're about to head out and realize your phone is dead, just plug it in, and within 20 minutes, it's already at least 50% charged. This is particularly useful for those of us who are a bit forgetful. A simple trick is to put it on charge while you take a shower, and by the time you're done, you'll have a significant amount of charge. The third feature relates to a little gadget called the MagPad. This magnetic device allows for wireless charging. All you need to do is connect your MagPad to an outlet or a computer, and you can charge your phone without needing to plug it in. This helps avoid wear and tear on the traditional charging function, which is a significant bonus. Now, let's dive into some features that are particularly interesting for vloggers and those who frequently record videos with their phones. You no longer need to spend a fortune on a phone to access some truly impressive features. One such feature that I find fascinating and plan to use myself is the double screen option. What does this mean? Well, with this phone, you have the ability to display two screens simultaneously. I'm not sure why all phone brands haven't adopted this yet, as it's incredibly useful. This feature allows you to show something with your rear camera while simultaneously displaying yourself as you comment on what you're showing. This is incredibly convenient because most phones force us to make a choice, either show yourself or show what you're filming, but not both. Yet, when vlogging, it's clear that we need the ability to do both. We need people to see us commenting on something while also showing what we're commenting on. This double screen option is truly a game changer for all vloggers out there. The last feature I want to highlight relates to connected devices. With the advent of 5G, we're moving towards a future where all devices are interconnected. And contrary to what some may believe, this future is not far off in Africa thanks to phones like this one. This phone can connect to a multitude of devices at home. For example, you can connect a decoder, a television, a TV box, a DVD player, an air conditioner, a stereo amplifier, a projector, and many more. With just one phone, you can control all these devices simultaneously. To demonstrate, let's take an example with an air conditioner. Once set up, you can clearly control it from your phone. You can adjust to the temperature, and the changes are immediately reflected on the air conditioner. So, for those of you who are wondering why this phone is worth considering, these are just a few reasons. This is the Infinix Note 40 Pro, available at Infinix in Abidjan. You can find their contact information in the description bar. They are available in Abidjan and almost everywhere else. So, friends, I wanted to share these insights with you. Let me know what you think. Technology is advancing rapidly, and I'm curious to know which of these options you find most relevant for our daily uses. Remember, this phone costs 17,001 francs. Contact them if you want a phone for yourself, for your work teams, or simply to make vlogging and other things easier. Until next time.